M. That stands for must play canoeing now. Don't ask where the other words came from. It's actually just one really long word with no spaces in it. That was a good start. Good. And I'm not fucked. I'm on better pace than the 242 point whatever the hell. It was like a 0.3 or something. It's dead, but I'll continue for fun. Because I love canoeing. Yes! I was lying, it wasn't dead. I think it still would have been better if I didn't mess up the last turn, but I'll take it. Now I actually have footage of all the world records, except not really, because I don't think I never actually got the beginner world record. But shut up, that one doesn't count. I have it in spirit.